Hi everyone, David Mitchell from Bayview Renovations, and it's the end of week 6 of our Beach Road project in Mentone, and so much has been done. It's starting to look absolutely beautiful. So as you can see, we're looking at the kitchen, and I probably spoke about this in my previous video. However, you can see here now this huge island. It's going to have stone that'll wrap around like that, like a big round end to it, and then flat here where you sit. Undermount sink, of course. You can see there the zip tap that's sitting on top, and then that beautiful curved canopy. And there'll be a small little 100 mil, 120 mil ledge on there in stone, and obviously stone on top as well over here too. And it's all natural stone, so it's real stone that's going in. It's going to be absolutely divine. It looks so beautiful. The color of all of the cupboards and everything. We walk around to the pantry. Very usable space. There's doors going on that now. And then the fridge just tucks in behind here. I managed to find some flooring so that we can finish patching in here as well. And then we've done some clever carpentry here. Just toothing in boards there so it looks like it was always there. And of course, it's always difficult trying to remove walls and in and around existing engineered boards to keep it all looking good. But how amazing does this all look now? If you look at previous videos, I'll go into more detail there, but you can see here oven, electrical induction cooktop going on top there. We've got our power points on either side, or one's probably a safety switch and the other one's a power point. And then on this side here in the living space, we've got beautiful cabinetry, floor to ceiling, just with that shadow line across the top. We've got a curved end to it here, and then the TV will be centered here. And then we've got our Porter Riverine timber surround going around it. And then obviously we'll paint it all in. It'll look amazing. It'll just look really good. The TV is quite large and it's a picture TV, so it'll just look like it's a picture on the wall. Obviously that fridge gets hidden now behind that wall there. So in previous videos, as I've mentioned, the fridge used to be here out in the open, and this is a much better design. So really making progress there. And then also in here, in the powder room, we've obviously finished plastering and everything, but the biggest thing this week was the stone. So here we've got a 90 mil edge on the stone, and it's all real stone as well. So it's natural stone. It's absolutely beautiful. So that's on the wall. It pushes to the corner now. You can see here where our PowerPoint's going to be once our side panels are on and the face of the drawers and everything are on. It'll look absolutely divine. It's going to look beautiful. We've got the taps off the side here. We've got a progressive mixer and then a spout that'll come out off the top. And all looking really good. Moving on into the master ensuite, you can see here we've got our carcass in. The stone's going on next week. You can see the sinks there. And then obviously, again, progressive mixer, spouts, and then this beautiful handmade shaving cabinet that's slightly recessed into the wall. Behind it, we've got these natural marble stone tiles to go in, and then that'll marry up to the wall tiles here in the shower that'll go to the ceiling. That's all going to come around to the ceiling. And then we've got our beautiful glass screens going in that'll really send it off. So in here we've also put in the wardrobe, and you can see here as well we've got the fluted glass. So in the bathrooms they're all fluted glass screens as well. So I don't know if you can see that, but that's actually fluted glass that's recessed into the cupboard doors, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm so thrilled for the client with this one. And then there's a face panel to go across the top, and a new grille that'll go in. So it's looking really good. So obviously Monday we're going to be starting to tile. Today's Friday, end of week 6. So start of week 7, we're going to tile around the top. We're going to tile this wall here. This stone top will go in. Then we probably get the plumbers in to hook up these, so then we can take out the makeshift sink in the laundry downstairs, which we'll show you soon, because client is living through this. So we're going to make sure that they can stay operational throughout everything. So just quickly moving on through, you can see all our protective flooring is all still down. Everything's really well looked after. Very minimal damage to things that, you know, things that we can definitely fix. So one of the most beautiful additions to this renovation is we added that wall in and that door. So that arch door, that's so beautiful. Fluted glass again, and then you hopefully can see that it's all fluted glass. Looks beautiful. And then you've got a marble handle with just a roller catch on it. That looks really, really cool. I love it. What an inclusion. It's just changed the entire way that you come into the entry of this space. So in the past, it wasn't like that. So the other thing that we've done, we've just lined up the lights. So they're all in line. We pulled one out and just made 3 equal lights. And then in the corner here, there was nothing. So we put floor to ceiling cabinetry, all storage with a curved end to it. It's probably a little bit hard to see. I might be able to show you from this side actually, it might be easier. So basically from here, right up through to the ceiling, and then internally, so much storage. It's a massive amount of storage. All adjustable shelves internally. I mean, it's huge. Look at all the storage you've got in there. That's a massive amount of storage. And there's another cupboard here too, of course. So that's really cool. This is all for the window, for the TV surround. And then in here, we've got a guest bathroom downstairs. So again, natural stone top. You can see here the progressive mixer and the spout and what it will look like. And then this is just 60mm edge down here, not 90mm, all downstairs 90mm edge. And then of course, we're ready to tile around the top there. We've scuffed up all the walls and everything, and the carcass is in, so that's looking really good. In the laundry, we've got our floor to ceiling hallway cupboard doors on. So they're just like a handle on the edge of the door. So literally, we just pulled the old doors off and replaced that. We didn't change the cupboard, just the doors. And then in the laundry, this is her makeshift kitchen at the moment. So you can see here, we've got our tap here, notorious tap, pull out kitchen laundry mixer. Washer dryers are sitting in there at the moment just so that she's operational. And you can see again, that's ready. This is all stone though in here, all natural stone going in. So that's ready for the stone in a couple of weeks. So this will be done at the same time as the kitchen stone. And then we're just going to fix up, you know, skirting tiles and so forth. We've got our overhead cupboards in. So we're making good progress considering it's only week 6 of the renovation. I'm really proud of the team. There's another bathroom in there. It's pretty much the same as the rest, but yeah, really proud of the boys. We've got the foreman's on site here at the moment, running the show, as you can see. So yeah, really proud of the boys. So end of week 6, week 7, tiling. We'll be hopefully getting the TV up, getting organised with this surround. The ensuite vanity top will go in, and then we'll see where we're at with the rest. Potentially some painting towards the end of the week, and then getting ready for the natural stone to go in on the laundry and kitchen cabinetry. Once all the stone's in, then we can start to fit everything off. So thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day.